What are you doing? You are a bad cameraman. You only supposed to record me. Don't record nothing else that I don't show. Okay?
He be like, he's fine. He be like, he's big. He be like, he's bad. He be like, you there. Ooh.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is the long-awaited room tour of the Arizona room. This has been our home for the past couple of days. What's the code?
652-860 pound.
652-860 pound. Okay, let's come up in here. See, when you walk in, they got a little body mirror, so you can really see how you look.
Yeah.
So look, you show them mirror. So show them the mirror. Show them the mirror. And then over here, guys, look, we got a thermostat. Above the thermostat, it says no smoking, but you know we didn't follow that rule. And the thermostat is also a fucking speaker. I ain't never seen no shit like that. Like, I can connect my phone to the thermostat and it's gonna play music, and that's cool. This our church. You know, we've been here for like 40 years.
Go to the
And
tea.
this the kitchen.
That's nice.
Got a
Not lie.
stove.
Yeah, we did
You
good.
recording me? You get me in the thing. They got the stove. We didn't cook. We did buy a lot of food, but it still was really nice. Real nice. Got a microwave, knives and shit. You know, it was real good. So then in here we have the fridge. Well, we did have a lot of juice, but now we just left. We got my ginger ale, my hangover cure, and we got some cracked pineapple. You know the vibes. You know the vibes. We ain't get over there yet. Come back. We ain't go over there yet. So don't be showing them too much. You giving them too much. You gotta wait. Eat it or eat. Let's go to the living room. Follow me. Wait. The little piece of dining room. Hold on. You know, we stay right here. You know, we did a lot of work. You know, we rolled up. You know, just chill. Want some cool shit. You know, just.
Mine right there, bro.
You know, we just chill. You know, yeah. So let's go to the living room now. So yeah. Why you keep showing? You supposed to only have me in the view. Don't be putting nothing else in the view. Only
I'm
me.
showing the table.
Only me.
Yeah,
Okay, so this is where we slept most of the night. This is actually a sofa bed. It was really comfortable.
It was soft too.
It was really soft. We slept there every night because there's a TV. There's no TV in the bedroom. So yeah, this is where we slept. Okay.
You about to say?
This is where we slept. Come on, let's go to the bedroom where we did not sleep at all. The bed.
They're big though.
It's kind of hard. We didn't sleep here, but it's really nice. You know, it's real cute. Got a real good view of the city. You know.
Yeah, it's you.
It was real cool or whatever. But that's just, you know, we just didn't sleep in there. You know, we need a TV to sleep, you know. So this is the bathroom, y'all. It was really nice.
You packing up?
Well, we leaving now, so this is our last hour here. So yeah, we just had to get the tour in. So you know, we had the shower. It's real big. 2 people can fit up in here.
Oh, damn.
What's going on?
I'm about to slip.
Babe, come on. Pay attention. Okay, so it's a big shower, real big.
Yeah, big.
We can both get in there. You know the vibes. You know. Come on, get out. So now you put all our towels up in there.
What is? What? That's
Stop.
like a real towel.
Why is you putting that in my video? I don't want them towels in my video.
Man, that's towels.
All right. So y'all, the main.
Towels still
What are you doing? You are a bad cameraman. You only supposed to record me. Don't record nothing else that I don't show. Okay. Okay. So now we're going to the main. What is it called? The main factor. What is it called? Which city?
Main attraction.
The main attraction, something like that. The biggest of the biggest, the best of the best part of this motherfucking whole thing. Come on, follow me.
Follow her.
The balcony, y'all. This is the best part. You can see the whole city. And let me tell you. This is not the only part. It's so big, y'all. Let's walk with me. Walk with me and follow me. Keep following, because look, it's all over here too. You can see the whole downtown from just right here.
Okay.
They also had some like sitting areas, so you know, we was sitting and stuff. So yeah, sitting. So y'all, that pretty much wraps up the whole room tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, y'all be seeing a lot more of me.